Konnichiwa and welcome to Unboxing with KJ. My name is KJ and it's truly a pleasure to have you join me today. If it's your first time here, thank you for finding me. And if you're coming back, thanks for coming back to check me out. If you've been watching or if it's your first time watching, you know that I like to be helpful and check out different products that can save you time and money so that you don't have to wonder or be curious anymore about what's in this, what's in that, how something works. I'll take a little bit of that time and effort out for you. So in this latest series that I've been doing, it involves home chef delivery meals. I've been using this as a weekly meal subscription option for about the past 6 months or so, and it's something that has been really helpful for me. So if you're like me and you've been curious as to what's for dinner, this is a solution that has worked for me very well. So with that in mind, if you're coming back, you know that in my other video that I unboxed, I had a meal in there called the Italian sausage and mushroom stuffed peppers. So out of that box, this is one of the meals that I actually decided to cook. So if whether or not you're returning or it's your first time here, this is what I'm making tonight. So let's see what exactly was in here. This is kind of how I do it. And this is what I selected for this week. So this is the reason why I picked this, because it said pizza and a pepper. It's just crazy enough to work. In fact, this meal is crazy enough to be crazy delicious with savory sausage, meaty mushroom, and gooey, stretchy mozzarella. I love mozzarella cheese. Add in a bit of marinara sauce and you've managed to pizza a pepper. Crazy delicious, crazy easy. Maybe this isn't crazy so after all. So this is what I decided to cook because I love pizza. And this isn't something that I would probably have normally cooked. If you get to know me a little bit better, you see my other videos, you'll know I'm not really a good cook. And so that's one of the reasons why these home chef recipes have worked for me, because they're very simple. And on the back of the card, it tells you exactly how to cook it. And I've been able to do so with ease and not have to go to the grocery store and pick out the items that will be in the bag. So let's jump right into the bag so you can see exactly what came in this Italian sausage and mushroom stuffed peppers that I'm going to be cooking. So when I do my unbagging or unboxing, I take it out the big box and then I go through to check that all my items are in there. And the first thing is the meat. This is Italian sausage. It says mild. And again, this is just a 2-serving option. If you want to order and you have a family of 4 or 6, then it would be the correct portions for 4 or 6. And so then we have cremini mushrooms. I don't know if you like mushrooms, but I do. Those look like they're going to be good in the meal. And then we have some shredded mozzarella. We have marinara in these little containers here. I have pepperoncini. And I have 3 of the peppers. Wow, where's the rest of the stuff, KJ? You may be asking. Well, I know, exactly. That's how home chef is. Sometimes it's very simple. It's not a whole lot of ingredients, which actually works for me. I don't like a lot of fuss when I'm cooking. So I'm really excited about this. It seems pretty simple. I'm going to be honest with you. Before I was doing these meals and I would look through recipe books, I would just be very confused about what to cook, and I probably wouldn't have made anything with stuffed peppers, but I do like stuffed peppers, so I'm very interested in what this is going to taste like. On the front of the card, if you look here, or I'm going to show you, it says that it's 505 calories, and so for those of us that are calorie conscious, you can check that out on the front of the card. And then again, like I shared with you before, on the back, it has the instructions of how to cook it. So with that in mind, stick around. I'm going to cook it, and when I come back, I'll be sitting down having dinner, and I'll let you know what this tastes like. Hello, my lovely ladies and my handsome gentlemen. I am back. It's been about 45 minutes and dinner is now served. I present to you Italian sausage and mushroom stuffed peppers with pepperoncini on top. What do you think? How do you think your girl did? How does it rate compared to the picture? Let me give you my honest review. Well, you know, if you've been watching with me, I like to rate my meals A, B, C, D, or F using the old-fashioned public school rating. A, excellent, B, good, C, average, D, below average, and F, I just don't like it. So I like to rate it on how does it look? Does it look like comparable to the picture. Did I say that right? Comparable, comparable. Does it look like the picture? Looks pretty good. I kind of cooked the peppers a little bit longer than maybe I should have. They're a little brown at the edges, but I tend to do that sometimes with vegetables. I like them to be just a little bit slightly overcooked. I know you're not supposed to do that to lose the nutrient value, but honestly, I kind of lost track of time when the peppers were in the oven. So that's the truth on that, but it looks pretty close to the picture. Smell, it smells good. I do like to smell my food. It's just me, so it's okay for me to smell my food and put my nose a little bit closer. And so let's see, it looks pretty good to me like the picture. It smells good. Let me go ahead and dig right in and taste it and let you know what I think so I can give you that final rating. I like to also kind of go back to the little card with the home chef people say, and where did I put that? Oh, right in here in my little menu recipe book. So when we get done with this, we're just gonna kind of file it in there. Let's see what it says. It says it's supposed to have savory sausage, meaty mushroom, gooey, stretchy mozzarella. Let's see. And a little bit of marinara sauce. Let's see. It's good. It's really good. I like it. I like it. Take another bite. This is an A. I'm going to give it an A right away. I like this. It says it's supposed to taste like making pizza a pepper. It is. It does. It tastes like pizza. This was very simple. If you recall with the ingredients that we went over, it's just mushrooms, Italian sausage links, marinara, and mozzarella. It's not very fancy. That's why I'm giving it an A. I don't really like fancy recipes that take a long time. It took actually about 40 minutes to cook, just like it says on the card. The prep time, it was easy. The spice level, this is a mild sausage, and that's exactly how it tastes. It's not too hot, and I actually really like this. It's good. You see on my plate, just 2 peppers. I had 3 in the bag, so as I sliced it, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total, and so I have plenty of extra. I have plenty of extra. Remember, I only ordered the 2 box, or 2 serving, so I'm just going to eat this for dinner, and I'll have extra for lunch. I'm not going to eat all of those peppers in one sitting. It works for me. Again, if you order 4 or 6, you'll have extra. If you order 4 or 6, you'll have for your family a serving, or if you wanted to order extra for yourself, however you want to do it. But I hope I was able to be helpful so that you can see exactly what one of these meals looks like. And if it's an option that you may want to try for dinner, these have really worked for me to make me feel good, like I'm cooking again, because I'm not really a good cook. And for me to be able to follow these recipes and make a good meal that I enjoy eating, it really works for me. So again, if this is something that you liked and you enjoyed my video, go ahead and give me a like. If you want to maybe share it with a friend, go ahead and do that. If you know someone else who may be interested in trying these meals. And if you enjoy my videos and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to me as I continue sharing with you my home chef recipes that I order and other things that I may be unboxing in the very near future. I'm going to go ahead and take this other recipe, put it in my little home chef cookbook and file it away. And as you can see, I'll be ordering some more of these, and come on back and visit me. As always, I'm going to get back to my dinner. I enjoyed having you take a couple of bites with me. I'm hungry, so I'm going to tear the rest of this up. Have a good one, and as always, sayonara.